In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on comments on YouTube mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up a web browser first. You cannot actually do this inside the app itself. So go ahead and open up a web browser and search for youtube.com. Now, if you do have the Studio app installed and it keeps opening, delete the Studio app for now. But in your browser, what you need to go ahead and do is request the desktop site. If you're on an iPhone, look up in kind of like the top where you have your address bar. Select those little three dots and then you're going to see these two A's down here. Essentially what you need to do is select these three dots right here, select request desktop site. It's then going to show you a page that looks like this. You do need to sign into your account now. Once you are signed in though, what you need to go ahead and do is select your profile icon. Once you do that, go ahead and select YouTube Studio. Once again though, if it does open up the YouTube Studio app, either go to studio.youtube.com instead or delete the YouTube Studio app as a temporary fix and then reinstall it after. But once you're on YouTube Studio, go ahead and just zoom in real quick. And you're kind of looking for the settings gear down in the bottom left. You're going to want to select that settings gear. And I know it is kind of hard to see. It's going to then take you to a page that looks something like this for you. You need to select channel on here. And once you're on channel, go to advanced settings and make sure that your channel is not made for kids. So just hit no, set this channel is not made for kids. Just like so, and then just back out and hit save just like so. Then go back into your settings, and this time what you're going to want to do is select upload default, go to advanced settings again, and you're going to see a comment section. Make sure those are ticked to on and choose allow all comments on here as well. I'd recommend just putting none for that as well. But that's the full process. Once again, hit save and then comments will be enabled for future uploads on your YouTube channel. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.